Thinking about creating privacy for your space? I'm Sam with Landscape Garden Centers, and I'll show you how. This is going to be our columnar juniper. They're great for privacy when comparing those to an arborvitae. This is going to be a little more cold hardy as well as a little more rabbit resistant. This past winter we had a lot of rabbit damage. Juniper is going to be probably better off for that, but it's the look, the texture of the juniper versus the arborvitae. This is a little more prickly. When using a columnar evergreen, when planted in a row or staggered, they can create a nice privacy wall, also a windbreak. So used in large spaces, you can use quantity-wise quite a few of them. They're also decent for a standalones. This is the arborvitae. Comes in a couple different varieties, some wide, some tall, mostly all very columnar. Just like the juniper, it's going to create privacy when planted in a row and grow together. The arborvitae can be used for privacy against a pool or any sort of fireplace that you want more of a visual separation from you and your neighbors, or say a street. One thing about them, they will have a soft needle compared to the juniper, but keep in mind rabbits and deer tend to eat from, say, the bottom for a rabbit and about 3 to 4 feet up for a deer. In a formal design, a topiary can be used to give us that modern look. Keep in mind, when the shrub comes, you'll still need to maintain the shape at what it was originally cut. When you want to learn more on how to create privacy for your landscape space, come down to Landscape Garden Centers and we'll help you out.